Hello all, very good afternoon. Today this particular session I am taking to how to clear the prelims 2023. As everyone know that UPSC preliminary examination is become more of elimination rather than selection. They are eliminating high quality people. They are eliminating just by a objective type of question paper. They are eliminating by prelims examination. But the people are very good at mains, but because they are not clearing the prelims, they are unable to write the mains. We understand this problem. We understood this problem that prelims is a very big hurdle. So prelims should be a cakewalk. From the last couple of years, we are coming up with PPP test series. PPP test series, which is called as Prelims-Pro-Perfect Test Series, by the name called as PPP Prelims Test Series. We did in 2021. We got a very good hit rate of 42 prelims questions came directly, indirectly from our test series. And in 2022, we had 46 questions. We produced evidence also in our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link is there in the description. And this year, we are targeting nearly 70 questions should come from our test series. So how this particular test series is going to be? What is the modality? What is the functionality? How this test series is going to be? I am going to explain in another 15 minutes. Please be focused, be patient. This 15 minutes will worth listening. So subscribe to our channel as well as please listen to the course. So this particular test series is called as PPP Premium Pro Perfect Test Series. This is consecutively we are conducting third year, so it is named as 3.0. So what is this premium? What is this pro? What is this perfect? What is the name? What is the meaning of the premium? What is the meaning of the pro? What is the meaning of the perfect? I am going to explain in this particular session. Premium means from basics and standards. First we will be conducting the premium tests from January 2nd. From January 2nd to February 22nd, 52 days we will be conducting the premium tests. This premium test will be for basic books as well as for standard books. Second will be pro. Pro means sectional test will be there. Pro means sectional test which will be from February 23rd to April 2nd. Sectional test will be there. Here there will be basic test will be there. Here there will be sectional test will be there. And finally from April 3rd onwards you will be having the comprehensive full-length tests which are named as perfect. So premium pro perfect test series this is. Please stay tuned. So this is the target. This is the target. So mainly the examination has become much of elimination method. The prelims has become a very big hurdle. The prelims has become a very big mountain. The prelims has become a very big hill. So in order to avoid this hill, in order to come out of this hill, we are coming up with this PPP 3.0. So what are the features of this course, sir? What are the features of this course? What you are going to provide under this particular course? What are all there under this particular thing? So I am coming up with 10 commandments or 10 features. First I will give you our success. That is, in our pre-PP in the year 2021, we got directly and indirectly 42 questions. And in our PPP2, that is 2021-2022, this year prelims, we got directly 46 questions. And I had an open challenge that now we are planning such that we will have 70 hits. 70 direct questions should or indirect questions should come from our test series. So this is our objective. So how I am going to reach this objective? By our PPP mechanism. All previous year's questions will be discussed in quick revision classes in the form of 100% prelims clearing crash course. In this particular test series program only, there will be a crash course called as 100% prelims clearing crash course. 100% prelims clearing crash course will be there. Under this particular crash course, you will be having quick revision classes. What are all the classes? I will be explaining you now. See, what are the classes which you will be having? Quick revision classes covering polity, history, geography, environment, polity, all the important static as well as dynamic subjects will be covered in 100 hours in the quick revision manner, in the quick explanation manner covering previous year's questions, you will be having 100 hours of classes, live classes, my dear students, live classes. And 50 hours, you will be having CSAT classes, exclusive CSAT classes of 50 hours. 50 hours of CSAT classes you will be having in this particular program only, live classes, online as well as offline, 100 plus 50. And 24 hours, you will be having 12 months of quick revision of current affairs. Last 1 year, very important current affairs, 2 hours every 1 month will be discussed very quickly, such that your current affairs revision will be happening. That will be for 12 months and each month will be discussed for 2 hours, hence 24 hours. Next will be 6 hours. All the government schemes in detail will be explained from the new government 2019 onwards. What are all the government schemes came? All the nearly 100 government schemes already we made the content. From that content we will be explaining you within 6 hours, so that quick revision will be happening. 5 hours of reports and indices like Global Hunger Index. So with World Economic Forum reports, as well as committees and commission, which committee has been constituted for this purpose, which committee has been constituted for this purpose, which commission has been constituted. So that will be for 5 hours. So overall 100, 50, 24, 6, then 5, 185 hours. Not only that, my dear friends, but also with that 15 hours of final comprehensive test discussions. The final, at the perfect stage, we will be having final comprehensive test, no? Full length test. That last 10 tests will be discussed very comprehensively, very quickly. That will cover 15 hours. So overall it is 100 plus 50 plus 24 plus 6 plus 5 plus 15 hours. 200 hours of live classes online as well as offline will be provided to you. So overall it will be 200 hours of live classes, 200 hours of high quality revision classes, high quality. We bet here, we challenge here for quality, we are popular for the quality. So 200 hours of live classes also will be provided, including the tests. Now I will be explaining how many tests are there. Number of high quality MCQs which you will be solving in this particular test series of Prelims-Pro-Perfect test series. In this particular number of tests, every day the test series is going to start from January 2nd, 2023 to May 25th, 2023, and the final day is May 28th. Every day you will be having the test. For every 4 days, there will be a weekly test. For every 4 days, there will be a weekly test or a full length test. So there will be 100 daily tests and 10 MCQs in every daily test. So 100 into 10 high quality prelims questions with detailed explanations, you will be having 1000 MCQs for every 4 days. Then next you will be having 32 GS full length tests will be there. Each test will be for 100 MCQs. So 32 tests into 100 MCQs is equal to 3200 MCQs you will be having. And 18 CSAT full length tests will be there. 80 MCQs will be there for every test. As you know, CSAT is for 80 marks. Each will be 2.5 marks. So 18 tests into 80 marks is equal to 1440. With that, very important previous year's questions of UPSC prelims from 2020 to 2022, which are very important. From that we are going to select and we are going to provide you 360 complementary previous year's questions very selectively. That is going to be 360 MCQs, and if you calculate 1000 plus 3200 plus 1440 plus 360, it is going to be total 6000 MCQs you are going to get with explanation. Total 6000 very high quality, selected, orchestrated, properly prepared. Total 100 daily tests and 50 full length tests, 32 GS plus 18 CSAT including CSAT classes. 100 into each 100 daily tests into 10 MCQs is equal to 1000 MCQs. 32 GS full length into 100 is equal to 3200. 18 CSAT into 80 MCQs is equal to 1440 MCQs and 360 complementary. So overall you are going to write tests for 6000 MCQs. If you are offline environment, you will be provided with question and answer booklet with proper environment. If you are online, we are also providing you so that you can sit at your home and you can write the test with the proper explanation solutions. This is high quality MCQs which you will be solving in this particular test series. So What is more? What is more is there? So total 150 daily tests and full length. So overall, how many tests you are going to write? 150. In that, 100 are daily tests, 50 are full length. So overall, it is going to be 150 tests you are going to write. So 100 daily tests, 100 daily tests. Total full length tests, GS sectional tests, 80 will be there. 18. 80 GS sectional tests like polity, environment, general science, science and technology, art and culture, history, 18 sectional tests of GS, CSAT sectional tests like what? English comprehension, general comprehension, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, 8 sectional tests will be there. Exclusive current affairs test will be there, 4. For every 3 months, 1 test. For every 3 months, 1 test. A comprehensive test will be conducted, 4 tests. GS full length, final, perfect, premium, pro, perfect, final. GS full length test, 10 tests. CSAT full length test, 10 tests. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 18, total 50 full length tests will be conducted, and we already made proper schedule for it. Under the description, you can see our website link. In that, you can see our schedule as well. 8. Mentor available at the academy for any doubts from 9 AM to 9 PM, online and offline. Any doubt, our mentors are available at the academy. If you're offline, you can come to the academy. If you're online, you can make a call to us. Free reading room for our students. At offline academy, we are going to provide a free reading room of our prelims test series students. Each multiple choice question will be prepared with utmost care. This is very, very important. Each one MCQs will be provided with utmost care and with high quality on par with UPSC standard. This is our 10 commandments for your clearing of the prelims. My dear students, clearing prelims is becoming a very, very, very big hurdle. If you have any query, this is our number, 9400-939. This is our address, email address, contact@vishnuias.com, or you can directly mail me at visu1437@gmail.com, or this is our website where you can file your queries also. This is about the structure of the program. Now, I will go. Now, I will explain you about how the timetable is going to be. Please focus. In this way, our program is going to be, the complete schedule is starting from January 2nd, 2023. Thank you. Jai Hind.